Welcome to Old Kinderhook, a gated golf course community where luxury meets tranquility. Nestled amidst the breathtaking beauty of Lake of the Ozarks, Old Kinderhook Golf Course stands as one of America's most spectacular golfing destinations. This course offers a world-class golfing experience right in your backyard. Visit the Hook restaurant for delicious on-the-go menu items or explore the golf shop for the latest in golfing gear. Pamper yourself at the spa, a serene retreat designated to rejuvenate your mind and body. The Lodge Hotel at Old Kinderhook offers 84 luxurious rooms, a perfect escape for visitors and residents alike. Old Kinderhook is more than just golf. Enjoy the lake area's only outdoor ice rink, play a match on the sand volleyball courts, or unwind by the outdoor cabana with cozy fire pits and serene views. Old Kinderhook isn't just a place to visit, it's a place to call home. With a variety of real estate opportunities, you can find the perfect home to fit your lifestyle. Call us today and discover why Old Kinderhook is the place to live, play, and relax.